हम उन्हें जानते थे एज अ वेरी स्वीट इनोसेंट गर्ल, पर अब उनके अंदर का रिबेल प्लेयर बाहर आ गया है. लेट्स गो एंड चेक इट आउट. सोनम, वेलकम ऑन Zoom.
Thank you for having me again.
This is an Abbas Mustan movie. Abbas Mustan are known for presenting their heroines in a very different way. Like Race, it just changed the perception about Katrina. Do you think this movie can do the same for you?
I don't know. I mean, I just had a great time, and the response that I'm getting for the way like people responding to my look and the vibe of the film is amazing. I've never gotten the kind of response that I've got for players in any of my films. I mean, आपको कैसे लगी? Because you're one of those people who always tell me ये अच्छा लगा, वो अच्छा नहीं लगा. So tell me what you thought.
I loved your look. I really loved it. You know, that's what I was about to ask, that आपकी अभी तक image थी कि आप बहुत sweet है, innocent है, and now it's like you're going to be a pin-up girl. So was it a deliberate move?
No, जैसे मैंने I remember I met you last time and I said कि अगर मैं एक मौसम कर रही हूँ तो I want to do a players as well because it's such diametrically opposite that people get a shock कि ऐसी इतनी simple साधारण लड़की बिना makeup की और suddenly this really grungy girl and Sonam can carry off both.
Now that you're talking about kicking ass, आपको भी चांस मिला है because Italian जो आपका रीमेक है, ये ऑफिशियल रीमेक?
जी ऑफिशियल रीमेक है और मेरा जो किरदार है it's inspired by Charlize Theron's character and I love the fact that it's this girl's revenge story and she takes the story forward and it's her character and she has this like little romance with Abhishek's character and stuff like that. So I like that. I like the fact that she is like one of the boys. She's like breaking codes, doing action, and then now she is also driving these fast cars and like wrapping Abhishek's character around her little finger and stuff like. It's very cool. It's a very cool character.
कौन सा स्टंट है जिसको करने में आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आया?
आप अगर फिल्म आप ट्रेलर देखोगे तो then I'm driving this car and I twirl it around and I like I show the finger to someone. So I think that's the stunt that I had the most time because I was doing that by myself and I was with Alan sir and he was like, you don't understand the kind of response you're going to get because of the way you've driven this car.
You actually drove it?
I drove a lot of it, but then there was a stunt double also doing the scary bits, which is like going underneath some car. You see it in the film.
How did your mom react when she saw you doing it?
She didn't know. She didn't come to New Zealand with me, and New Zealand is one place where I go do bungee jumping and I do all these like crazy sports, which I did over there as well.
Now that you have spoken about showing middle finger also, real life में सोनम ने कब पहली बार दिखाई थी और क्यों दिखाई थी?
When I was 17 years old and I remember मैं दिल्ली में कुछ चल रही थी, and there were these boys who were like, saying strange things. When you walk, how these boys they start jeering and shouting and stuff like that. So I just showed them the finger. और उनको लगता था कि ये इतनी simple सी लड़की सलवार कमीज में किधर जा रही हो, suddenly उसने क्या कर दिया. They just kept quiet for 5 minutes, you know what I mean, and then I walked off.
I don't think anybody will take panga with you after this.
No, nobody should ever take panga with me. I think everybody's learned that lesson by now.
I've heard that you are seducing Neil in one of the songs.
It's a secret, I can't tell you. You have to see the film.
But some pictures are already out.
Are they? I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, let's talk about the other boy, Abhishek.
Yeah.
You totally love him. You've always maintained that.
Yes, I have. I really, he's one of my favorite co-stars. I love working with him. I love the fact that I can wear super high heels with him. I can't wear it with anybody else. And I love the fact that we have the same sense of humor and we love joking and we love food, which both of us are always trying to avoid to eat, but we can't.
It's not a good company to have when you are dieting.
No, it's not good company when we're dieting. That's what he said. He's like, I'll never do a film where I have to lose weight with you, man. I'll never lose weight.
So let's take it forward. Abhishek, Sikandar and Neil. किस एक गेम में आप इन तीनों को हरा सकती हैं with a left hand?
With my left hand, any video game possible, I can beat them.
We have also heard that you are not a freeloader. Like you like to pay your own bills and get your own dresses. Is that true?
That's true.
Why? Isn't it a perk of your job?
It is a perk of my job, and sometimes I always return whatever I get.
Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you, Sonam. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
That was Sonam. She's funny, she's sexy, she's a player, but she's not a freeloader. With cameraman Aditya, Kirti Tarang, Zoom Mumbai.